nice to see all of you. Mrs. Eric had to attend a meeting and she asked if I could come in and talk to you about the things you can expect for the beginning of class. And I was delighted to do that. Well, the first thing you need to do when you walk into the room is check the board. The board is going to tell you some things and supplies that you will need for the day. You will notice that the date will be written on the board. Here is an example. You might have test cover, whiteboard, and calculator. Now these letters here are special code. Anything followed with an A are algebra classes. Anything followed by an R are the regular math classes. And then the B stands for both classes, meaning everyone that walks into the room will need a calculator, and you can see those are housed here. Now, almost every day you're going to need a supply tub and your notebook. Well, if you'll notice at the tables, there are supply tubs and there are going to be containers that will house your notebooks. It's such a wonderful system that she's come up with for you. Now, you might be thinking, how can I be helpful to those around my table? Well, if you're the first one in and you notice you need these items, then get them for your whole table. That would be so wonderful if you would help out like that. Now, once you do come into the room, I like for you not to leave because often you don't get back and you're tardy. And we certainly wouldn't want that to happen. So once you're in the room, you're in the room, all right? And it's because you're going to be so helpful to all your friends. Once you have come into the room and you've collected all of your supplies, notice here are where the test covers are going to be, the whiteboards, the markers, and the trash cans, the mini trash cans we use often, are over here. Make sure you put them nice and neat, just like Mrs. Eric has displayed them on the shelf for you. Now, once you have all those things, you should go ahead and be seated and ready to start class. So when the bell rings, you can enjoy the full 45 minutes that you will have, Mrs. Eric, because I guarantee you're going to love being in that class. Well, it is time for me to go, so enjoy your year. Cheerio!